I'm Patti Pokorchak, the Small Biz Sales Coach, and on Thursday, September 23rd at 12 p.m., that's noon Eastern Standard Time, I'm putting on a workshop called Get More Business Now. And then when you're stalled, if your business is stalled, if you're not sure, if you've never had much formal sales training, in 1.5 hours, I will teach you how to go out and get more clients easily and repetitively. I'll give you a process and a skill set so that you won't be afraid to pick up the phone and talk to people, because that's all it is. I demystify what selling is all about. As a former shy geek, introvert, and like insecure as heck, I became a multi-million-dollar worldwide success in selling in 2 languages, because I realized selling is being of service to others. You're there to help. And once you realize that selling is actually listening and not talking, then as an introvert, there's no reason for you to do much talking except to ask better questions. So tomorrow, on Thursday, September 23rd, noon my time, which is Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be interactive. So you're there to work, because learning how to sell is not a spectator sport. I'll put a discount coupon code in the comments below for 25% off. It's only going to cost you $64 US, and it's a bargain. You're going to come out, your payback should be like 10 to 1 easily, no matter what you sell or what you promote. And even if you just want to learn, some more persuasion, negotiating, influencing kinds of skills. See you there tomorrow. Bye.